Number 1.
Introducing Fixed, the most advanced way to understand your car. Everyone fears the dreaded check engine light. That's because this light can range from over 8,000 different issues, from a loose gas cap to faulty airbags. And with those fears comes the issue of another huge cost. But now, there's Fixed. This little sensor uses the same technology utilized by your mechanic and sends that information directly to your phone. It's a hub for all your car needs. It takes the mystery out of the check engine light and gives you the understanding of the mechanic. You can quickly identify the severity of your problem, the consequences of driving on that problem, and resources to help. Even if you're not scanning, Fixed can give you a second opinion through our certified mechanics.
Yeah, so the mechanic said it'd be around a $900 fix. What do you think? $150? Really? Huh. Okay, well, thank you so much.
Fixed can actively scan to find maintenance alerts. We give you a maintenance timeline that lets you know how much you should expect to pay for each fix. And the sensors can also be linked together to give you a comprehensive view of your family's vehicles, making sure your family is safe wherever they are. Worried your vehicle's too old? Don't. Fixed works with any car made after 1996. It takes seconds to set up, and it gets to work immediately. Fixed helps you save money and speaks car, so you don't have to. Get confident and get back on the road. Fixed. Empower your drive.
Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5.